Coronation Street actor Colson Smith, who portrays the character Craig Tinker, has shared an update with his fans regarding his fitness journey. The 25-year-old actor, who has undergone a significant lifestyle transformation in recent years resulting in a weight loss of 10 stone, took to Instagram to inform his 180,000 followers that he will be participating in a marathon in Belgium in 2 weeks' time. His post, which featured a selfie of him in his running gear, was met with supportive comments from fans and fellow actors, including Dina O'Brien, who plays Sarah Barlow on the show. Supporters have also extended their well wishes to Colson in the comments section of the post. Jason queried, "Nice work, Colson. Do you have a target time, or is it more just to compete and finish?" To which Colson responded, "Just a holiday with Run This, putting no pressure on myself." Steve wished him good luck and Roy complimented, "You look amazing, mate." During the first coronavirus lockdown, he completely changed his diet and lifestyle and lost 10 stone. Colson explained on the Sofa Cinema Club podcast that nothing would fit him, so he focused his adventurous side on shoes. "Then being probably 18-19 I started to really enjoy like a pair of shoes. It was mainly shoes because I was too fat to wear clothes, nothing fit. Whatever Asus did in 20XL and then shoes. Anyone can fit into shoes," he said. Colson joined Coronation Street in 2011 and said he had to deal with hateful messages about his weight from an early age. Previously speaking about his weight loss, Colson said, "I was always the fat kid. In most of my social situations, social circles, that's just who I was. And it's kind of the identity that I ended up with. I made that conscious decision. I was ready to kind of change that identity and I was ready to move on from it." When he decided to do a 180 on his relationship with food in 2019, he even spoke with Corey bosses so any change to his appearance could be incorporated into the show. Since then he has changed his diet and also exercised. It started with Colson going to the gym, but his main source of exercise quickly became morning runs. "In lockdown, I put myself first over everything. Now, when it comes to normal life, I've kind of still got that in my head. So when I'm going through my day, when I've got my work, when I've got other stuff going on, I'm trying to balance my day out," he added. Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Threads. An AI tool was used to add an extra layer to the editing process for this story. You can report any errors to web homepage at mirror.co.uk.